Hello my dear students from grade 6. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our new video lesson. Topic 13, Lesson 4, Areas of Polygons. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to the following instruction from the teacher. Instruction number 1. Study the video lesson very well. Instruction number 2. To complete your assignments as per the weekly plan, log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Alright. Before going, dear students, bring out your textbook, copybook, pen or pencil, and highlighter pen. Thank you. Alright. I need you to ask some review questions before you will the new lesson. Are you ready? Very good. This is our first review question. Select all the expressions that can be used to find the area of the kite. You have the following options. 1/2 times 8 times 8 times 15 plus 1/2 times 8 times 15. 1/2 times 16 times 5 plus 1/2 times 16 times 15. 16 times 20. 8 times 5 plus 8 times 5 plus 8 times 15 plus 8 times 15. What is your answer? Great. Option number 1, 2, and 5 should be correct. Why? Because, according to the first option, we divide the kite into 4 triangles, and then find the area. It is possible and the given expression is correct also. The second option is also triangles and find the area. It is also possible and correct too. Fifth option should be correct. Why? Very good. We can derive Our second review question today is: use the decomposed trapezoid to find its area. Show your work, including formulas. Dear students, kindly focus to the figure. Great. What is the area of triangle 1? Good, 36 square inches. What is the area of rectangle? Good, it is 96 square inches. Now, what is the area of triangle 2? Excellent. It is 20 square inches. So, tell me now, the area of the trapezoid. Great, the area of the trapezoid will be 152 square inches. Alright? Dear students, for more review questions, you need to log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Take printout, try to find answers and keep the paper in your portfolio. Submit your work to the teacher later. Thank you. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's lesson now. Our objective is: at the end of this video lesson, we will be able to find the areas of polygons. Repeat, at the end of this video lesson, we will be able to find the areas of polygons. Are you ready? Very good. Alright. Here is a question. Try to solve this question and share your answer with me. The question is: Gabrielle wants to use felt material to cover the floors of a room and a hallway in her dollhouse. She measured the room and hallway and sketched it below. How many 8.5 inches felt does Gabrielle need for the room and hallway? Solve this problem any way you choose. Repeat, Gabrielle wants to use felt material to cover the floors of a room and a hallway in her dollhouse. She measured the room and hallway and sketched it below. How many 8.5 inches times felt does Gabrielle need for the room and hallway? Solve this problem any way you choose. Make sense of the problem by decomposing the sketch into shapes you know. Very good. She needs 2 3/4 felt pieces. Let's see how. Decompose the polygon into two rectangles. Times 5 equals 60 square inches. Area of the larger rectangle equals 20 times 10 equals 200 square inches. Area of the floor equals 60 square inches plus 200 square inches equals 260 square inches. Area of each felt paper, she has. 5 times 11 equals 93.5 square inches. Number of felt pieces to cover the floor equals 260 square inches divided by 93.5 square inches equals 2600 divided by 935 equals 2730 over 935 equals 2146 over 187. 2 and 3 over 4 pieces, she needs to buy. Now, tell me the answer for look back on page 677. The question is: show how you can find the area of the polygon in another way. Very good. I can draw lines to make a big rectangle, and then subtract to find the area of the polygon. Dear student example, kindly take a look at this example. Do you understand? Good. Now,
How can you find the areas of polygons? Think about this question during the lesson. Denise is building a patio in her backyard as shown in the diagram. What is the area of the patio?
You can decompose the polygon into shapes you know, or you can move its parts to form a rectangle.
How can you divide the polygon into familiar shapes? You can draw two vertical lines to decompose the polygon into two identical triangles and a rectangle. Here is one way to solve the problem. Decompose the polygon into a rectangle and two identical triangles. What are the base and height of each triangle? What are the length and width of the rectangle? The base and height of the triangles are 6 meters and 2 meters. The length and width of the rectangle is 6 meters and 4 meters. Now, find the area of each shape. What is the total area of the polygon? Add the areas. 6 plus 6 plus 24 equals 36. The area of the patio is 36 square meters. Here is another way. Recombine the shapes to make a rectangle. Then find the area of the rectangle. The area of the patio is 36 square meters. Now you know how you can find the areas of polygons.
all right. Now tell me the answer for convince me question. Sherry found the area of the patio by drawing a rectangle around the polygon, then subtracting the areas of the four small triangles formed at each corner. Show how Sherry found the area of the patio. Very good. You can draw a larger rectangle, and find its area, then subtract the areas of smaller triangles in four corners of the rectangle, from the area of the larger rectangle. Now the area of the rectangle is 8 times 6 equals 48 square meters. Remember, each triangle will be identical, so the area will be the same. So, the area of each triangle equals 1/2 times BH equals 1/2 times 3 multiply 2 equals 3 square meters. So the area of patio equals 48 subtract 4 times 3 equals 48 minus 12 equals 36 square meters. Good. Okay, dear students, now let's try guided practice questions. We will try all questions. I need you tell me the answers to each question. Okay. Guided practice, part 1, do you understand? Question number 1. Look at the arrow in exercise arrow into known shapes 2, and D its area. Very good. I can decompose the shape into one triangle and one rectangle, and then add the two areas. Now, number 2. Describe a way you can use subtraction to, and D the area of the shape in exercise 4. A rectangle around a polygon. Then I would find the rectangle's area and subtract the part of its area not covered by the polygon. Okay, now, guided practice part 2, do you know how? Read direction, in 3 and 4, find the area of each shape. What is the answer for number 8? Answer is, 36 square feet. Now what will be the answer for number 4? Excellent. The answer is 150. Okay dear students, now your turn. Find the answer of questions 5, 6, 7, and 8 together. Now, read the direction, find the area of each polygon. Let's do number 5 first. You got an answer. Great. 295 Answer is 192 square centimeters. Okay dear students, now let's watch a
The land behind Peter's house measures 80 feet by 40 feet. Part of the land is covered by a porch that measures 20 feet by 10 feet. The rest of the land is covered by grass. Peter needs to mow the grass behind his house. What is the area of the land Peter needs to mow? The shape of the land behind Peter's house, that includes the porch, is a rectangle. We can start by finding the area of this rectangle by using the formula area equals length times width. We can substitute the dimensions for the length and width into the formula. The length of the land is 80 feet. The width is 40 feet. 80 times 40 equals 3,200. So the area of the land, including the porch, equals 3,200 square feet. Next, we'll use the same formula to find the area of the rectangular porch. The length of the porch is 20 feet. The width is 10 feet. Substitute these dimensions into the formula. 20 times 10 equals 200. So the area of the rectangular porch equals 200 square feet. Now, to find the area of the land Peter needs to mow, we'll subtract the area of the porch from the area of the entire land. That's 3,200 minus 200. The difference is 3,000. So the area of the land that Peter needs to mow equals 3,000 square feet.
Okay students, tell me the answer for number 7 now. Very good. 20 square meters. I need you to take a look at the animations shown at the right. I hope you understood. Good. So, all right? Tell me the answer for number 8 now. Excellent. Answer is 112 square centimeters. Good. Okay students, now let's try some problem-solving questions. Please turn to page number 680 of your textbook now. Okay. Our first problem-solving question is, number 9. Diego is designing an exercise room in his house. How many square feet of rubber flooring will he need to cover the floor? The product is sold in whole square yards. How many square yards should he buy? Explain. What is your answer? Very good. 138 square feet. Or 16 square yards. We divide 138 square feet by 9, we get the answer which will be more than 15 yards. Is it? Yay. Good. It is 15.33 square yards. So he could buy 16 square yards. Okay, now number 10. Higher order thinking question, are you ready? Very good. The question is, Isabella has 3 rectangular cards that are 4 inches by 5 inches. How can she arrange the cards, without overlapping, to make one larger polygon with the smallest possible perimeter? How will the area of the polygon compare to the combined area of the 3 cards? Again. Isabella has 3 rectangular cards that are 4 inches by 5 inches. How can she arrange the cards, without overlapping, to make one larger polygon with the smallest possible perimeter? How will the area of the polygon compare to the combined area of the 3 cards? What is your answer? Very good. You can connect the sides of the cards that are 5 inches long. The perimeter of my polygon is 2 times 5 plus 6 times 4 equals 34 inches. The cards do not overlap, so the area is the same as the sum of the areas of the 3 cards. Alright dear students. Tell me the answer for question number 11 now. A stacking toy for preschoolers has a block with the shape shown. The area of the whole is 12.56 square inches. Write an equation to find the area. Again, a stacking toy for preschoolers has a block of the whole is 12.56 square inches. Write an equation to find the area. Great. Area of the top surface of the block. A equals 6.2 multiply 6.2 subtract. Okay students, our last question for today is: which of the following expressions can be used to find the area of the polygon? 2 multiply 5 plus 6 multiply 4. 5 multiply 2 plus 2 times 1/2 times 3 multiply 4. 6 multiply 5 subtract 3 multiply 4. 6 multiply 9 subtract 3 multiply 4. What is your answer? Very good. Correct answer is choice B, 5 multiply 2 plus 2 times 1/2 times 3 Okay dear students, we did it. It is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you understood all the facts we discussed in this video lesson. So, try to solve the questions on pages 681 and 682 of your math textbook. Thank you. So, until the next video lesson, see you. Bye.